explain the components which we require for making the robo arm. First of all, we require some jumper wires. Then we need 4 servo motors, HC05 Bluetooth module, Arduino Uno, breadboard, and power bank for power supply, or you can connect it to computer, and in computer you need the Arduino software. Now I am going to explain how the robo arm works. First, we have joined the base servo motor so that we can rotate the arm in this way. And again, we have used a plastic scale for joining the other servo, which is used to produce a motion like this. And then I will show you the working of the arm of this robot. If the servo motor placed here drags this, then this comes close. So now we will join this here. So now this arm can be used for producing vertical motion. This is the working of robo arm.
Now I am going to explain you how to make an RC car using Arduino Uno. Here this is Arduino Uno which we are using right now. This is HC05 Bluetooth module. This is the motor controller, and this is the 12-volt battery which we are using to supply current to the whole circuit. Now you can see the connections of this